Um, Welcome back. My name is still Namdi Uche. My name hasn't changed yet. Okay, so we're completing the task for the IGCSE ICT November 2019. Okay, this is paper 2. Okay, so this is the task 5, which is the presentation. All right, so you're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides should be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. A title and bulleted list. All right. So it says create a presentation of 6 slides using the files. The file that. All right. So we'll quickly open our presentation package. I am using PowerPoint. Okay. So open that quickly. All right. So just go to blank presentation. All right, so we're creating it using press. Okay, so just do your control O and navigate to where your working area is, where your source files are kept. I think mine is on the desktop, sorry. So that'll be that. Aha. So here you won't see anything because it is set to view only PowerPoint files. Okay, so you go to all files and then you go to press. Where are you? There. All right, so you click on OK. So once you do that, it is going to create the 6 slides. Okay, you see them, 6 slides. All right, so next question. Format slide 1 so that a title slide layout is applied. Slide 1. So we'll go to slide 1. You go to layout, you go to title. All right, so what's the next thing? The title and subtitle are centered in the middle of the slide, which is exactly what we saw. Your name appears after the text produced by, so you put your name, just your name alone. Okay, Uche Namdi. All right. Oh, what next? That's it. Title. Okay. Okay. So let's move forward. All right. Use a master slide to display the following features on all slides: your name, center number, candidate number, automatic slide numbers. Okay. So so you can master slide. Remember master slide. That's very important. All right. So let's quickly go to master slide. I think it's under view. Okay, you see the slide master. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go back to the question again. What and what are they saying we should add? Which is master slide to display. Okay, name, center number, carrier number. So you scroll up, please. Very important. And you make sure you're doing anything you're doing on the master slide on the first slide. That is how you get to see whatever you're doing reflecting across all slides. Okay, if you do this on this slide, it will reflect on the first slide, this one on the second slide. Okay, take note of that, please. Most candidates make this mistake a lot. All right, so our name, candidate number, center number. So we'll quickly go to insert here because we're still in the master slide view. Okay, we'll go to insert. Okay, header, footer, date, and all that. So we'll click on that. Okay, so what are they asking for? Our name, center number, candidate number. All right, so did they also ask for slide? Automatic slide numbers. Okay, they did. So I'll click on the slide number. You see it has turned dark. Okay, and then where did they say our name should appear? Okay, we should just add it. They didn't tell us whether it's head or footer. Okay, so I'm going to put it at the footer. Okay, all right. So my name, center number, candidate number. Yeah, they shouldn't be the same, right? It's possible they can be the same. No, they won't be the same. Okay, because the center number will contain the code of your country. All right. Okay. Let's go through that again. Any other thing we're missing out? Nothing else. Okay, so you click apply to all. All right, so they are showing now. Okay, they are showing. Okay, so that's the only thing we asked to do on the master slide. Okay, let's move forward now. Use the data in the file that to create a vertical bar chart to prepare only the physical and digital book sales for all years. All right, so we'll quickly go to our folder and open up sales, right? Sales of CSV. Okay, sales of CSV. Okay, that's coming up quickly. All right, so we are told to use only, we're creating a vertical bar chart, okay, to compare only the physical and digital book sales for all years. Okay, so you select all of this, remember, for all years, physical and digital book chart, and then you go to insert, you look for vertical, this one, vertical bar chart. I'll pick this one up easily. Well, you can pick this one up, it's still okay. I like to keep it simple though. Okay, so we've created the bar chart already. What else? Okay, we've done step 35, step 38, 37, sorry. 38 says label the chart with the following title. Okay, so the title would be this, okay? So just go to the title, click on it, and type that, okay? All right, value as this title, okay? The value as this title should be this. Value as this title, so go back, look for the value as this. Value as this title, okay. So to add that up, you can see it's not visible here. To add that up, you click on this plus button here. You see value as is, anything like that. Title, the title, okay, the as is title. Okay, click on that and then you select all of it and change that. Okay. All right, what else? Okay, we're done with 38. Moving forward. All right, display the values as data labels on each bar. Display the values as data label on each bar. Those should appear on top of each bars. Okay, so you click on that data label. Yeah, that is it. Okay, you see them appearing on each bar. Okay, what else? Display a legend. Okay, so a legend is already displayed. This is a legend. Just in case if you don't have this by default, you click on this. Okay, you see legend. Once it's unchecked, it will not appear. All right, so if it is not appearing, you need to check this. Okay, whether it's down here or somewhere there, it is still okay. All right, so moving forward, minimum value. Okay, format the value as a scale to display a minimum value of 0, maximum value of 3,600, increment of 600. Okay, so we'll quickly do that. So click on this, click on that tiny plus there. Okay, click on this. Okay, and then we're going to go straight to formatting this. We'll click on format. Okay, what is that thing again? Format selection, chart filter. Okay, not here. Where is that thing again? Okay. Where are you? Format view. The property. Okay, I'll just right click on it. Format area. Yeah, sorry, I couldn't find it around there, so I had to right click and use the shortcut. Yeah, format that, and you have this. I was looking for the format chart area. I couldn't remember where to find it there. Okay. So first of all, you click on this because that is what you need to change. Okay, this is what you need to change. You click on this as this option. Okay, and then let's see, numbers, labels, ticks. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. Minimum is 100, maximum is 3,600, so you change that to 3,600. Increment is 600, so the increment is what you do with the measure. Okay, so once you do that, you notice that they are changing, right? Okay, now take note, this has equally changed. The minimum has changed because we didn't touch it earlier, so it has changed back. All right, good. So what else do we have? We've done that. That should be okay for tax 40. Okay, so it says place the charts to the left of the bullet on the side on the slide with the title comparison of physical and digital sales. Okay, where by the left. Okay, comparison of physical sales. All right, so we're done with that. I'll click on the borders. I'll click on the borders and then I'll copy and then I'll go to my presentation. Okay, so I'm still in the master slide, so I'm going to leave there. Okay, so you click on master slide and then you close. All right, so quickly, what do you do? Comparison of physical sales, where are you? Okay, there. They say to the left, right? So you click on it. It should be to your left, and then you move this a little bit this way, and then you paste the table that you have. You pull it over to this point. You can increase it a little bit if you don't mind. Okay, but it looks good, right? Okay, to the left, right? To the left. That is to your left. Okay. All right. What do we have next? Okay. Save the presentation. Okay, so we need to print the presentation as a handout with 6 slides to the page. Please remember to save your work. I'm not going to bother saving here. Okay, print the presentation as a handout with 6 slides to 1 page. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the work. Okay, you are not asked to add any designs or so. Okay, so take note of it. It's mostly going to be plain like this. All right. So to do that printing, I'll do my Control P. Okay, and then you have full slides. So you go back and then you do handout. It's a 6 slides. Okay, handout 6 slides. All right. So this is what you're going to have. All right. Now I need to point out something here. It is very important to. Okay. So I will select a printer first so that I can be able to explain this point I want to make. All right. Something I wanted to mention here. It is very important to include. I don't know why this is not active. I don't know why it's not active, but it is important for you to add your name at the footer here, so that it can appear down there. Though you've done that earlier, but this may be too tiny. It may not be that visible. I don't know why this is not active. Okay, I'll find out why. But just take note of it. This is supposed to be active. Okay, let me just print and see if this will work. I don't know. All right, let's see. So I'll do my Control P again. Okay, it's still not active. Well, I don't know why. How do we fix that? Scale to fit shape. Okay, maybe when I find out, I will attach it to this video. All right. So that's that. That's basically what you have to do at that point. Let's move forward. Okay. So print only the slide with the comparison, that's full slide. So you go to the slide comparison, right? The one with the table. Okay, so you just print only that as the full slide. So you do full slide and then you're picking current slide, right? Not all current slide. Okay, so you print that as well. Okay, aha, this is now appearing. So why wasn't it appearing before? Okay, let me go back and select notes. Aha, it is now appearing. You see how crazy these things can be. Okay. So I'm going to select all slides. Now that information I wanted to give to you earlier, please remember to come here when you're printing handouts, many slides to a page, please to a sheet of paper. Please remember to come here, edit header and footer, and put your name at the footer preferably, so that it can appear in as a footer in this very document, okay, in this very printout. So I'll just put up my name, Namdi Uche, comma 1001, and then my center number and all that. Okay, when you apply, it should appear there. You can see. So when you print, whoever is seeing your work will see that it is yours. Take note of that. Very important. Okay, so that will be all. Print only the slides. We've done that already. You print, and then I think that's all for paper 2 of this year. The other one is your evidence document. Of course, you should print it. Okay. All right. So I want to thank you all for taking our time to watch my videos. Please like them, subscribe, and hit the notification button, so that whenever we upload another video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all very much, and God bless you.